Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue, how to use your Amazon Fire TV stick even when you can't find your remote. Whether it's lost or not working, we've got you covered with some handy tricks. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the Fire TV app. The easiest way to control your Fire TV stick without a remote is by using the Fire TV app on your smartphone. Here's how you can set it up. Download the Fire TV app. Go to the App Store iOS or Google Play Store Android. Search for Fire TV and download the official app by Amazon. Connect to your Fire TV stick. Make sure your smartphone and Fire TV stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Fire TV app and follow the instructions to pair it with your Fire TV stick. Control your Fire TV stick. Once connected, you'll have a virtual remote on your smartphone screen. Use it to navigate, select apps, play videos, and more, just like you would with the physical remote. Method 2. Using HDMI-CEC consumer electronics control. If your TV supports HDMI-CEC, you might be able to control your Fire TV stick using your TV remote. Here's how. Enable HDMI-CEC. On your TV, go to the Settings menu. Look for HDMI-CEC, AnyNet Plus, or a similar option. Names vary by manufacturer, and enable it. Control your Fire TV stick. Once HDMI-CEC is enabled, your TV remote may automatically control basic functions of the Fire TV stick. Use the directional buttons on your TV remote to navigate, and the OK or Select button to make selections. Method 3. Using a USB keyboard optional. If you have a USB keyboard lying around, you can also use it to control your Fire TV stick. Here's how. Connect the USB keyboard. Plug the USB keyboard into the USB port on your Fire TV stick, using a USB OTG adapter if necessary. Control your Fire TV stick. Use the arrow keys to navigate through menus and the Enter key to make selections. Note that not all keyboards may be compatible, so results may vary. Conclusion. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to use your Amazon Fire TV stick without a remote. Whether you opt for the Fire TV app, HDMI-CEC, or even a USB keyboard, you can stay connected to your favorite shows and apps hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.